10 questions. Only one is impossible. Native speakers get this wrong all the time. Think you can beat them? Let's find out.
She is honest person. A, B, an, C, the. Time's up. The correct answer is B, an. Here's why. The word honest starts with a silent H, so the first sound you actually hear is a vowel sound. That's why we use an, not a. Remember this simple trick. Always listen to the sound you hear first, not the first letter you see. Nice, easy start. Let's keep that streak going. This movie 3 times already. A, watch. B, watched. C, have watched. C, have watched. The present perfect connects a past action to the present result. Already is the giveaway word. Already, just, and ever are present perfect signal words. 2 down. Question 3 is about to get sneaky. We arrived at the airport at 6 a.m. A, at. B, in. C, to. Correct. A, at. Arrive at is used for smaller, specific locations like airports, stations, or buildings. Arrive in is for cities or countries. Small place, at. Big place, in. Still easy? Let's turn up the heat. This gift is for you and A, I, B, me, C, myself. B, me. After a preposition like for, you always use the object pronoun. Remove you and test the sentence alone. This gift is for I sounds obviously wrong. That trick works every time. Save it. Neither of the answers correct. A, are. B, is. C, were. B, is. Neither of takes a singular verb, even though answers is plural. Look at neither or either, not the noun right before the verb. You just passed the easy round. Now it gets real. If I more time, I would learn French. A, have. B, had. C, will have. B, had. This is a second conditional, an unreal, hypothetical present situation. So we use the past simple in the if clause. Second conditional equals if plus past simple. Would plus base verb. Halfway to question 10, stay sharp. She enjoys new recipes. A, to try. B, trying. C, try. B, trying. Enjoy is always followed by a gerund, the ing form, never an infinitive. Memorize verb groups. Enjoy, avoid, finish, and mind always take the ing form. Small rules, big traps. Next one flips the sentence around. The report by the manager yesterday, A, reviewed, B, was reviewed, C, is reviewed. B, was reviewed. Passive voice puts focus on the receiver of the action. Past passive uses was or were plus the past participle. If the doer is less important than the action, passive voice is the natural choice. 9 down. This next one is where people slip. The woman, car was stolen, called the police. A, who. B, which. C, whose. C. Whose. Whose shows possession. The car belongs to the woman. If you can say her car, you need whose, not who or which. Question 10. Let's see how you're really doing. There are less than 10 students in the room. A. Left. B. Leaved. C. Leaves. A. Left. Left is the correct past participle of leave here, meaning remaining. Leaved isn't a real word. The irregular form is leave, left, left.
Drop your score in the comments. I want to see how everyone did. If this quiz challenged you, subscribe, because next episode is going to be even harder. See you in the next one.